I'm here with my dad. He's going to take the stuff back. Now we're on our way to Bojangles. Hey!
Hey!
Love ya.
Smells me. Love you more.
Looks so good.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes.
So many hours have passed since my last clip. I went to college, I went to go to the public speaking class, and while I was in the class, McDonald's uses the crew app. And they were talking about how they needed somebody to come in at 4 o'clock until 11. And my class doesn't get out until 5:45. And so I was like, I can come in if you want. I'm just gonna be there at like 6:30, okay? Well, my class got out at 4 o'clock. And so now I'm headed there even earlier. Subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. Ah! Why do things have to happen? Ah! I'm so tired. That was a really weird reaction. Oh my goodness. Okay, bye.